Let me tell you something most people in the modern world never even heard of. It is a kind of training so powerful, so precise, that the ancient Taoist master believed it could lead to immortality. And it is called the Taoist inner alchemy. But this isn't just a form of exercise, and it's not just meditation. This is energetic transformation from the inside out. Taoist inner alchemy, also known as Neidan, it is the art of cultivating and refining your internal energy. In this practice, we're not talking about muscles. We are talking about qi, and not just feeling your qi, but how to circulate it, condensing it, and transforming it into pure spirit. And traditionally, the journey begins very early. The ideal practitioner is not somebody older or more experienced in life, but it's actually a child, because in Taoism, the child spirit is considered pure and untouched by the world. It is closer to the source. And the earlier you start, the more you can reverse aging. You can awaken the energy of your organs and reconnect to your original nature. Or we call this merging with the Tao. In this alchemical process, you may hear the mystical phrases like 坎离兑换, reversing 坎 and 离, 阴阳交泰, union of yin and yang, 文火无火, gentle fire and fierce fire, and 大小周天, small and great cosmic orbit. And these aren't just poetry. They are real energetic process with precise internal formula designed to build your inner world. Taoist alchemy is not a one-size-fits-all path. It is deeply personal. It is adapted to your body, your energetic structure, your spirit, and your destiny. Some methods are mysterious, some are very intense, and some are even hard to accept from a modern or scientific lens. And that's why true inner alchemy is only passed down in sacred settings, temples, lineage schools, from master to disciple, and never casually shared. Why is that? Because the power is real. If it's done correctly, Taoist inner alchemy can strengthen your organs, regulate your nervous system, nourishes your spiritual body, your original spirit, awaken your qi, rebuild your vitality, clarity, and also destiny. And aging sometimes can even reverse. But this path is not a quick fix. It's a lifelong path for awakening, of working with your qi, your movement, your tendons, your ligaments, your blood, and in stillness and spirit. And this is not about escaping the world. It is about returning to what you really are. The Tao can never be forced, but it can be invited and aligned by those who are truly ready.